You can create AI YouTube construction time-lapse videos 100% free using Grok AI. Simply copy this prompt and upload your initial stage image into Grok AI. Then paste the prompt and hit send. Within seconds, bingo, your AI construction time-lapse video clip will be ready. Generate multiple clips like this and merge them together. Just like that, your complete AI YouTube construction time-lapse video is ready. Take a look at this full-length video that I created completely free using Grok AI. By creating videos like this, you can potentially earn $5,000 per month, just like a channel that uploaded only 60 videos, gained more than 84,000 subscribers, and had its most viral video cross 84 million views. Now, if you want to generate these videos 100% free, step by step, in a very simple way, visit ChatGPT. Go to the GPTs option in the left sidebar, search for Time-Lapse Construction AI Studio. You will see this custom GPT by Zapiwala, developed exclusively for you. Click on it and start the chat. Next, click on this option to generate 10 viral construction time-lapse video ideas. If you don't like the ideas, don't worry. Just type, provide me 10 more unique and mesmerizing ideas. For now, I'm selecting the first idea. Next, enter the number of construction steps. For better result, you must choose number of steps between 12 to 25. So I am simply entering 16 here. Next, it will provide you with the initial base image prompt along with the video prompt for step 1. Now simply copy the base image prompt, then go to Google Gemini and select the Pro option for the best results. Next, click on the Create Image option, paste the copied image prompt there. Now this is where many people get confused. If you want to generate a vertical video, simply add --AR9 to 16, or if you want a horizontal video, add --AR16 to 9. Make sure you type it exactly like this at the end of your prompt. Then hit send, and within a few seconds, bingo, your base image will be ready. Download that image to your device. Next, visit this website, linked in the description, upload your base image there, and click on the option to remove the Gemini watermark. Once the watermark is removed, download the clean version of your image. Next, go to Grok Imagine, which allows free video generation up to a certain limit. Once you reach that limit, you can simply use any temporary email service to create a new account and continue generating videos. Now, upload your watermark-free base image for the construction. If it automatically starts animating the image, cancel it first. Then go back to the custom GPT and copy the step 1 video prompt. Paste that prompt into Grok Imagine and hit send. Within a few seconds, your step 1 video clip will be ready. Let's preview it. Next, upscale the video to improve its quality. In just a few seconds, your video will be upscaled. You'll know it's complete when you see the HD badge confirmation. Now, simply download the video clip to generate the step 2 video. Pause your step 1 video at the last frame. Right-click on the frame and copy it. Then go back to Grok Imagine and paste the copied video frame using Ctrl+V. Next, click on this option and then select Make Video option. Now return to the custom GPT and type yes. This will generate the step 2 video prompt for you. Copy the step 2 video prompt and paste it into Grok Imagine. Hit send again. Within a few seconds, your step 2 video clip will be ready. Once again, upscale the video and download it. Repeat the same process, generate, upscale, and download for all the remaining construction steps. Next, visit this website linked in the description and upload your step 1 video clip. Once the upload is complete, simply click the button to remove the Grok AI watermark from your generated video clip. Completely free. After the process is finished, download the watermark free version. You can repeat the same steps to remove the watermark from all of your video clips. Next, go to Suno AI and click on the Create option in the left sidebar. Copy the provided prompt and paste it into Suno AI. Then select the instrumental option and click the Create button. Within a few seconds, Suno AI will generate 4 different versions of background music. Preview them one by one. Personally, I like the third version the most for this video. Simply download this track. Just make sure you give Suno AI proper credit in your video description to avoid any copyright issues. Next, open your favorite video editor, import the background music file, then import all of your generated video clips. Drag all the video clips onto the timeline in the correct sequence. After that, drag the background music track below the video layer. Now select all the video clips and reduce their volume level to -10 decibels so the background music sounds clean and professional. Before moving forward, preview the entire video. If everything looks good, export the final video. Set the export resolution to 2160 by 3840 to render it in 4K vertical format. Set the quality to high and click export, and bingo. Your final AI construction time-lapse video is ready. You'll find the full video link in the description below. And if you don't want to use this custom GPT, don't worry, I've also crafted a powerful, well-engineered master prompt specifically for you, so you can generate professional results and even you can change the prompt as per your requirement. Next, if you want to generate even more enhanced results like this, then you absolutely construction time-lapse AI Studio. You will see this custom GPT by Zapiwala AI, which I developed exclusively for you. Open this custom GPT, and once again, click on the option to generate 10 viral construction ideas. Select the idea you want to move forward with. Next, enter the number of construction steps. For example, we entered 17 steps. This custom GPT will first generate image prompts for all 17 steps. After that, it will generate video prompts for all 17 steps as well. Now, copy the image 1 prompt. For vertical images, add --AR916, then hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo, image 1 is ready. Download it. Now copy the image 2 prompt, paste it into Gemini, and hit send. Bingo, image 2 is ready. Repeat the same process for all remaining image prompts from step 3 to step 17 until all images are generated. Next, visit the website linked in the description to remove the Gemini watermark from your images. Now comes the most important part, creating video clips from these images. Go to Google Flow. The link is provided at the description. Start a new project. Select the video option. Since we are creating a vertical video, choose the vertical aspect ratio. Also make sure the VO 3.1 fast model is selected. Now pay close attention. Each video clip requires 2 images, one for the initial frame and one for the final frame. For example, to generate the step 1 video clip, use image 1 as the initial frame and image 2 as the final frame. For step 2, use image 2 as the initial frame and image 3 as the final frame. Click on start and upload all the images at once. After all images are uploaded, remove the incorrectly selected start frame. This can happen when uploading multiple images. Then manually select image 1 as the start frame and image 2 as the end frame. Now return to the custom GPT. You will notice that each video prompt clearly mentions 2 images. Always use the first image as the start frame and the second as the end frame. Copy the video 1 prompt and paste it into Google Flow. Within seconds, bingo, your video 1 clip is ready. Let's preview it. Click download and save it in 1080p resolution. Rename the file as vid1. For video 2, select image 2 as the initial frame and image 3 as the final frame. Copy the video 2 prompt, paste it into Google Flow, and hit send. Within seconds, bingo, video 2 is ready. Using this exact workflow, generate all video clips up to the second to last scene, which in our case is scene 16. For the final step video clip, copy the video 17 prompt. Now in Google Flow, select only the start frame. You do not need an end frame for the final step. Choose image 17 as the start frame. Paste the final video prompt and hit send. Within a few seconds, bingo, your last step video clip is ready. Let's preview it. Once all clips are generated, remove the watermark from each video, then generate background music, edit, and merge all the clips together, just like we discussed earlier. And bingo, your final AI YouTube construction time-lapse video is ready. You can find the full video link in the description below. And again, if you do not want to use this custom GPT, don't worry. I have crafted a highly optimized, well-engineered master prompt for this workflow as well. You'll find all the required resources linked in the description and pinned comment. If you watched until this point, please hit the like button and support a small creator like us by subscribing to the channel. And if you want to generate a 100% free bunker construction AI time-lapse video you cannot afford to miss above tutorial, see you inside the next tutorial.